Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
This is gonna be a quick video here. I got some faded automotive plastic. Over time, your plastic's gonna fade, and it's gonna be looking dull. And I'm gonna show you how to take care of that, bring it back to life. The first step is sanding them, because if you don't sand it, ain't nothing gonna stick to it. And what we're gonna be sanding it with is a maroon Scotch spray. This maroon Scotch spray here. And it's not gonna take that whole piece. I got a piece toward the sides like this here. What you wanna do, you just wanna run it across, put scratches in it. It's gonna get a paint something to burn to. So let me take care of that and finish all this off. After you finish sanding, you just want to take your blow hose, blow everything off. Now you can take some soap and water and wash your pieces off. After you wash it off and everything dry, we're going to take some wax and grease remover. I got this prep oil. We're going to wipe it down. Remove all the fingerprints and oil off this raw plastic. You want to wipe it on and wipe it off. Alright, our next step, once you wipe it down with wax and grease remover, even though we sand it with some Scotch-Brite, we're still going to put some adhesion promoter on it. And all these scratches here, I'm not too concerned about it, because you're not going to be able to see it. It's up under. The only part you're going to see is the top part of the lip. But we're going to spray some of this adhesion promoter on it. It's going to give it that extra bite. And let me find it. I got it somewhere here. Here go again here. It's by Sim, sand free adhesion promoter. It's still good to sand, but it says it's sand free, but I always like to sand it. We're going to spray this on there. You want to make sure your paint already mixed up. We're going to be spraying this satin black by UreChem. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. And then once I get it mixed up, I'm going to spray my adhesion promoter. Because you want to spray your paint on immediately after you spray this. So let's take care of that. Here's the paint. It mixes 4 to 1 to 1. There's 4 parts material, 1 part activator, 1 part reducer. You can use an aerosol can if you would like, but I always like to use something with a hardener in it. Something to activate. It's a lot more durable. Here's the results. This the following day. I just let it sit out here in the shop, dry on up. I also painted these pieces here. I painted these maybe a week ago. I gotta put these back on the bumpers. I got the bumpers here. These here are satin also as well. It's armor green. I have the videos of me painting these in the car down in the description. You can go check it out. I didn't paint this here. Goes behind the bumper. Paint the rear bumper. These here been painted. Let me put these together. Then I give you another look at it. I also install them on the car. Show you what it look like. Here's all the trim installed. Now I just got to put the bumpers back on the car. Once I do that, we'll cut it back on. Show you what that look like.
Stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from the